Welcome friends, quick upgrade, sturdy, smooth sit-stand desks, Deski, Vari, Gazebo, autonomous, healthier posture, better focus, and a cleaner, more productive home office. Number 1. PowerPro 36-inch Standing Desk Converter. The PowerPro 36-inch electric standing desk converter is a motorized sit-to-stand workstation designed to transform any standard desk into an ergonomic workspace. Featuring push-button electric height adjustment, it raises smoothly and quietly to help reduce fatigue while alternating between sitting and standing. The spacious 36-inch desktop comfortably supports dual monitors and a laptop, while the wide split-level keyboard tray promotes a natural typing position. Number 2. Rolling Standing Desk. The rolling standing desk with charging station is a versatile, height-adjustable mobile workstation designed for working comfortably from a couch, bed, or home office. Its 32-inch desktop features a built-in charging station with 2 AC outlets and 3 USB ports, allowing you to power multiple devices without extra adapters. The desk adjusts from 27.5 to 41 inches to support both sitting and standing, while smooth rolling lockable wheels make it easy to move and secure in place. Number 3. PowerPro 36-inch Desk Converter. The PowerPro 36-inch electric standing desk converter is a premium motorized sit-to-stand desk riser that transforms any standard desk into an ergonomic workstation with a touch of a button. Its electric push-button height adjustment provides smooth, quiet lifting up to 20 inches, while the spacious 36-inch split-level design comfortably accommodates dual monitors, a laptop, and a wide keyboard tray for improved posture and productivity. Number 4. FITUEYES Height Desk Converter. The FITUEYES Height Adjustable Standing Desk Converter, SD309101WB, is a 36-inch ergonomic sit-to-stand workstation designed to create a healthier and more productive workspace. Its 36-inch by 24.2-inch desktop provides ample room for dual monitors, a laptop, and office accessories, while the wide keyboard tray promotes comfortable typing. Powered by a dual gas spring lifting mechanism, the desk adjusts smoothly from 4.3 to 19.8 inches, allowing effortless transitions between sitting and standing. Number 5. PowerPro 36-inch Standing Desk Converter. The PowerPro 36-inch electric standing desk converter is a premium motorized sit-to-stand desk riser that transforms any traditional desk into an ergonomic workstation with effortless push-button height adjustment. Its spacious 36-inch by 24-inch work surface comfortably supports dual monitors, a laptop, and office accessories, while the sturdy powder-coated steel frame holds up to 80 pounds for stable everyday use. Number 6. Lamicall S1 Tablet Stand. The Lamicall S1 tablet stand is a premium adjustable desktop tablet holder designed for 13-inch tablets and smartphones, making it ideal for work, online meetings, video recording, reading, gaming, and watching content. Constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy, it features a multi-angle adjustable hinge that supports both portrait and landscape viewing while providing excellent stability. Hello friends, that brings us to the end. Thanks for watching the video. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already and leave a like. See you in the next video.